How to make a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make a ringtone with GarageBand on your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is download and install the GarageBand app on your iPhone. So if you haven't already downloaded it, head over to App Store and search for GarageBand. Then you simply want to download and install it on your device. Now, the next thing you want to do is download the song that you want as your ringtone. For this, you want to open a web browser and go to pixpay.com. You can use other websites as well, but this one is recommended because it has a lot of free music. Now you want to explore the website and find the song you want to download it. Go ahead and click on the download button, and now the song will be downloaded. Next, you want to open up GarageBand app. Now you want to tap on the audio recorder option. Here you will have to tweak a few settings. Firstly, you want to click on the button at the right of the recording button, which is currently blue. Once you tap on it, it will get white. Now it will get rid of the clicking sound, which you don't need. Next thing you want to do is go to the top right and click on the plus button. Now this will open up the song sections. Click on section A and set it to automatic, then press on done. Next, go to the top left. You need to click on this line button over here, which is going to open up this screen. And now you want to go to the top right and click on the loop button. This is going to open up a few different options. So if you've got a song in your files, you want to click on the files option. You can also browse the files app from here. Now you simply want to select the song that you want to put. Now it's going to be added to this list. Now you want to tap and hold on the music and drag it a bit, and as you can see, it's going to be added here. Now tap on it once and it's going to get highlighted. You will have a border at the start and at the end. Now what you can do here is adjust the end and start points, because maybe you want the ringtone to start in the middle. So you can place your finger on it and drag it like this. You can go and adjust it however you want. Once you're happy with it, now all you want to do is go to the top left and click on the downward arrow. Then click on My Songs option. Now as you can see, it has been saved. Now you want to hold your finger on it and you'll see a list of options. Go and click on Share and it will say Share Songs. Then what you want to do is click on the ringtone option. And now you can simply name it. Go ahead and name it whatever you want and then press on the export option. Once it finishes exporting, it's going to give you the option to select it as your ringtone. Follow the on-screen prompts and then set that as your standard ringtone. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.